Welcome to Valentina's Simply Good Food. I'll share with you my grandma's potato pie recipe with phyllo dough. First, let's make the liquid for brushing the dough. Put to boil 2 deciliters of water with 1 deciliter of oil. If you like a greasier pie, then add 1.5 deciliter of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Set the liquid aside to cool. Peel 1.5 kg of red potato, that is the baking potato, and shred it in bigger stripes. You can increase or decrease the amount of potato depending on how full you want the pie to be. Salt or season with vegetable seasoning the shredded potato and let it sit until it releases its water. Squeeze out the water from the potato and transfer it to a clean bowl. Add additional seasoning, like vegetable seasoning, 1 to 2 teaspoons works well for me, pepper, cayenne pepper, all according to your taste. Finally, shred 1 medium-sized onion and mix it all together. In a greased baking tray, lay 1 phyllo sheet and brush it with the prepared liquid. Lay another one and brush that one too. Then spread 6 to 8 tablespoons of potato on the dough and cover it. Keep repeating the process until you use all the ingredients. Don't forget to brush each dough sheet. You can either spread the potato on the sheet or make small piles of potato, and then on each next sheet fill the lines where you previously didn't put any potato. This makes the pie to have even richer taste. In the end, cover the whole pie with 1 to 2 phyllo sheets, depending on the size of your baking tray. Brush it with the liquid, or if you like a greasier pie, brush it with oil and sprinkle with some salt. Bake the pie in preheated oven on 200 Celsius until golden. Serve it with yogurt or soured milk. If you like this Simply Good potato pie, leave me a like and share it. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe so you won't miss any simply delicious recipe.